here are the bows that I made. The regular gray one, I gotta cut this thread off. It's blue, purple. I don't know what I was going for this. I was just doing stuff, but I really like this pink design one. Really love it. I think that's gonna be my favorite, and I'm just really obsessed with making these. So now I will show y'all how I make these. Okay, of course you'll need the ribbon. I got like a lot of ribbon that I didn't use, and I think I'm gonna use this orange because I don't really like orange, but I think that'll be really cute. You'll need some vinyl, iron-on vinyl. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but because there's a lot of YouTube videos and I'm not really a professional at it, and I got the design right here. I'll weed it out. I think that's what it's called. Some scissors, and iron, hot glue, and I want to say these are called duck clips. I don't know what they're called, but like, oh shoot, but like little clips or whatever to put on the bow. While we're making the bows, I just turn the iron on because I already have the design, like the iron on design. So for these type of bows, I just do 18 inches for these, or around 18 inches for these. And always, of course, the first thing you want to do is seal the ends. To get these type of designs, well, the designs like this height, I cut out 18 inches or around 18 inches of ribbon. And the first thing you want to do is you want to seal the ends with a lighter so you can so it doesn't fray. It doesn't have to be perfect. So this right here, this like ruler right here, it's 17 inches. So you just go measure 17 and then just add another inch. So 17 and then go up, that's an inch. And then you cut. Let me get the scissors. And it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. Oh, and this is like parchment paper that I will put on top of the ribbon, so the iron doesn't go directly on it. Now I'm just gonna seal this in as well. This one's so slow. This is the thread that I use to wrap around, because I hate this. This is the Singer ribbon. Oh my, I keep saying ribbon. This is the Singer thread. I hate this type of thread. This is the thread that I like, that I get from Hobby Lobby. I love this type of thread, or like the big threads. So I don't want to just waste thread. So this is what I use to wrap the hair bows. Okay. So just to get it started, I'm gonna just like double it in the beginning a little bit. Hopefully you can see it. Like double it a little, and then just set it to the side. We're about to make the hair bow. I keep looking to make sure I'm in the camera. So we just do crisscross applesauce. Do you see? And make it as even as possible. I don't really like the actual like ears on the bows to be really big, so I just do like this. Then I hold it, and then I just try to find the midpoint wherever that is. Okay, and then you just want to like crinkle it a little, or keep crinkling it. I don't know the name of it, I forgot. Okay, there it is. And then you just wrap the thread around. Just wrap it around. You can move it once you actually get it like tight. So it's okay if it's not where you want it to go. And just wrap around a few times, or so you feel like it won't come apart. So wrap. Okay, that pops, so that's good. Yep. I think that's pretty even. Let me scoot it over some. Okay, now that's really not even. Hold on. Okay, I think that's pretty even. Now you want to get the same color ribbon again. I forgot about that part. Sorry, y'all. Seal the ends again. And just cut like a small piece. It doesn't have to be like super wide. I don't know, maybe like 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, I'm not measuring. measuring that right here. And then just seal this as well. So it doesn't fray. So that it can wrap around the hair bow like this. Now we're going to weed the design. You can kind of see it a little bit, like the Crayola type design. We're just going to weed it. I take out her name. You can do whatever you want, but this is what I do. I take out her name. So her name can be whatever color the ribbon is. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to do like this little part in the middle. And then everything else should just come out or come off. And that is it. But I'll cut the extra stuff off just because. You don't have to, but I just do it just to. We're gonna cut this off as well because this is gonna go on the other side. But for this side, place it however you want to place it. Yeah. Place it however you want to place it, and then we're going to place a piece of the parchment paper, place it on top, and then we're just going to iron it. And I usually count to like 15 seconds, 10, 15 seconds. Again, I'm no professional at this, like iron on stuff. I like to sew. Oh, my hands are so ashy. I'm always ashy. Take that off. Should feel really hot. And then we're just gonna peel it off, and that's it. That's clearly the crooked, whatever. It's okay. This is just for my daughter. And then we're gonna place the other one right however you want to place it. You can like bring it up some and then cut the end to make it like a Crayola. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna bring it up some. Bring it up some. Then place the parchment paper on top. And then just take that off while it's still hot. Let's cut it to make it, I guess, like a Crayola. I mean, it won't look as good, but oh no. I hate when that happens. Good enough. And now we're gonna seal the ends the same way so it doesn't fray. Okay, now we can unplug the iron. And now we're going to warm up the hot glue gun. This is the hot glue gun that I use on the floor because I don't feel like looking for the extension cord. But all you do is just glue this back. Let's see. Okay, yeah. You can glue either the top piece first or the bottom piece. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Cut the excess. So again, there are two tabs. There's a top tab and then there's a bottom tab. Right here, I'm gluing the bottom tab first. But again, you can do either tab, it doesn't matter. Next, I'll get my clip and then I'll place it right on top where I glued at. Since we know where we want the clip to be, we just glue it right there, and then we place the clip right on top of the glue, and then we want to bring the top flap down. So place it where the glue is, and then you want to get the top flap. Oh my gosh, I hope I can see it. I hope y'all can see it. You want to get the top flap. Dang it, I did it. Get the top flap and then just place it right on top, and then it's kind of clean looking. Then you can make any final adjustments if needed. Let's see. Let's see. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.